Good morning, students. I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIIT College. Today, in this video, we discuss about how to calculate mean deviation from mean in discrete series. Mean deviation from mean in discrete series. The formula is summation f dx bar upon summation f. First of all, we calculate x bar. X bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f. Now we calculate total number of frequency 8 plus 20, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 6, 56, 56 plus 4, 60. The summation f is equal to 60. Now we calculate fx. 20 into 8, 160, 30 into 12, 360, 40 into 20, 800, 50 into 10, 500, 60 into 6, 360, 70 into 4, 280. Summation fx means total of fx. When we total of fx, the value is 2460. Now we calculate x bar. Summation fx 2460 upon summation f is equal to 60. Then x bar is equal to 41. Now we calculate dx bar. X minus x bar. 20 minus 41 minus 21. Here we ignore the sign. 30 minus 41, 11. 40 minus 41, 1. 50 minus 41, 9. 60 minus 41, 19. 70 minus 41, 29. After that, f bar dx bar. Frequency into dx bar. 21 into 8, 168. 12 into 11, 132. 20 into 1, 20. 10 into 9, 90. 6 into 19, 114. 4 into 29, 116. Summation f dx bar, the total of 640. Now we put this value into the formula. Mean deviation from mean is equal to summation f d x upon summation f. Here 640 upon summation f is equal to 60. The answer is 10.66. Okay students, thank you.